left, out. Do it again. Up, back, right, out. We good with that. All right, so after that, we're gonna go push, pull, push, pull. Right, left, right. Push, pull, push, pull. Left, right. We do it with the left. Push, pull, left, right, left. All good? Let's put all that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa up and back, right out. Do it again. Right up, left back, right out. Push and pull. Up, back, right, left, right. Up, back, left, right, left. We good? All right, then we're gonna slide right, slide left, V-step, triple step. Slide up, right, V-step, with a triple step. All right, let's put all that together. 5, 6, 7, salsa, up, back, right out, left out. Do it again, right up, left back, right out, up, back, left, right, left, up, back, left, right, left, slide back, slide up, right, left, V-step, triple step, slide up, left, right, triple step. We good? All right, B, on you.
All right, y'all, part 2 of the dance. It ain't nothing but a series of V steps with a quarter turn, roll right, roll left with a clap. Whoop, whoop. All right. Whoop if you don't have it, whoop, whoop if you do, all right? All right, this is the way we're going to do it. V step. How y'all feel, good? I know that's right. All right, we're going to V step on the right. Up, back, step, turn, roll right, roll left, clap. All right? We're going to do it for all 4 walls, okay? Slow the first time. Ready? 5. All right, V step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, back, step, turn, roll right, roll left, clap. Up, back, step, turn, roll right, roll left, clap. Up, back, step, turn, roll right, roll left. Up, back, step, turn, roll right, roll left. How y'all feel? All right, y'all, let's do it real time. Real time. Somebody say 2 weeks. That's what I'm talking about. Well, okay, let's do it real time. Ready? I'm going to do it with the count. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roll right. Roll left. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roll right. Roll left. Up, back, step. Turn, roll right. Roll left. Oh, y'all sound good. All right. So the second part of that, when you clap, we're going to paddle back half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pound the rip. Pound the rip. All right. Maybe I need to. So, hey, y'all just face me. Just face me. Just face me. All right. Just imagine that we paddle back. So when you get to the back wall, your left is going to cross your right twice. Your hand's going to go up in the air with the cross. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Whoop, whoop. All right, so let's paddle back. Get to the back wall, 2 crosses with your hands in the air. Then I'm going to show you what comes next, okay? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paddle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross the front, and hold. All right, face me again. All right, when you get there, you're going to roll it up on the right. You're going to roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll right, roll left, clap. Okay? So let's do that roll one more time. 5, 6, 7 on the right. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll right, roll left. Clap. Now, what you just did on the back wall, you're going to do to get back to the front wall. Woo woo. All right, so let's just try it slow. All right, paddle back, half turn. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Paddle 1, 2, 3, 4. Pond the river. Pond the river. Roll it up on the right. 2, 3, 4. Roll back on the right. Roll back on the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pond the river. Pond the river. Here we go. Roll it up. 2, 3, 4. Roll right. Roll left. There you go. How y'all feel? Okay, we'll do it again. It's okay. It's okay. Let's do that one more time and then we're going to put it all together. Okay? One more time. Paddle back half. Pond the river twice. Roll it up on the right. Roll back right and left. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, yeah, come on, y'all, let's do it. All right. Y'all ready? 5. I just wanted to see. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pond the river. Pond the river. Roll it up on the right. 2, 3, 4. Roll back on the right and on that clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pond the river. Pond the river. Roll it up on the right. 2, 3, 4. Roll right. Roll left. Clap. How y'all feel? Right. Everything, whatever you did on the front wall is the same thing you're going to do to get it back to it. Get to the back wall, get back to the front wall. Okay? Whoop whoop. Okay, let's take it from the top of 2. We're going to take it from the top, y'all, all the way to that point. Ready? 5. Because we only got one more part to do, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Up right. Back left. Out right. Out left. Up right. Back left. Out right. Out left. Roll it up. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple step. Up. In. Roll. 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left. Up. In. Right. Side left. V step is up. Up. Triple step, up left, up right, V step. With a triple part 2, it's up, back step, turn, roll right, roll left, 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 clap, half turn, 2, 3, 4, Pond the river, roll it up on the right. 2, 3, 4, roll right, roll left, paddle right. 1, 2, 3, 4, Pond the river, roll it up on the right. 2, 3, 4, roll right, roll left, clap. How y'all feel? I know that's right. Now, we're going to do a 4 corners right, 4 corners left, but you're going to swing it. You know, get your grind going, okay? You're going to get your grind. Roll right, roll left, grind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll right, roll left, swing it around. 2, 3, 4. In a dance. Let's do that one more time. All right? Now, put your flavor on that part. Listen to the music. Put your flavor on it. Last part, then we're going to take it from the top and run it all the way through. Then we're going to put on the music, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll right. Roll left. Swing it around. 2, half, turn. Roll right. Roll left. Half, turn. Swing it around. 2, 3. From the top. Up right. Back left. Out right. Out left. Up right. Back left. Out right. Out left. Roll it up on the right. Roll it up. 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right. Up, in. Roll. 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, up, in, slide right, slide left, V step right, up, triple step, up left, right, V step, left, right, triple 2, it's up, back step, turn, roll right, roll left, clap, up, back, step, turn, roll right, roll left, clap, up, back, step, turn, roll right, roll left, clap, up, back, step, turn, roll right, roll left, clap, paddle hat, 2, 3, 4, find the river, roll it up on the right, 2, 3, 4, roll right, roll left, now clap, 1, 2, 3, 4, pound the river, roll it up on the right, 2, 3, 4, roll right, roll left, roll right, roll left, swing it around, hat, 2, 3, 4, roll right, roll left, swing it around, 1, 2, end up dance. How y'all feel?